Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can set up your homepage for your domain using Systeme.io. What you need is a domain name, obviously, and a Systeme.io account. If you don't have one yet, you can create one for free. Just click the link in the description. And also, if you don't have your access yet to my Launch Kit 2.0 using Systeme.io, I'm giving to you for free 4 funnels, templates, email sequences, automations, everything. You have everything here. It's free. You just click the link in the description and you get your access. So now let's get started. So you need first to connect your domain with Systeme.io. I have a few tutorials on the YouTube channel where you could just search by playlist and you will find it. And you need to connect your domain name to Systeme.io. And then you can choose between Systeme.io gives you 3 options to connect your main page, your welcome page, home page. Whether it can be a blog, it could be any type of funnel you want, or a digital store. The way of doing it is exactly the same whether you choose one of those 3 options here. I'm going to show you how you do it using the 3 options, but I'm going to show you step by step how you do it. But it's exactly the same thing. So let's start with a digital store. So if I click on it, I don't have one yet, so I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to call it test, and I'm going to choose my domain name here. So for this domain, actually, it's already set up, so I'm not going to use this one, or otherwise it's going to give me an error message. So I'm going to use the subdomain I have. So it's exactly the same if you use your domain, main domain, or the subdomain. So I'm using my subdomain here, and you see I have the URL path right here. So I could customize it and click on save. So now I have my digital store created. So I could call it, this is my digital store, and my bio, and I click on save. So this is how it would look like. If I click on view, I will go to my domain or subdomain in this case, and you see I have a /test. And so how do I create this page, this digital store, my welcome page or my home page for my domain? It's super simple. You go to settings, and you see where you have the URL path. You just erase, and that's it. You just erase and leave it in blank right here, and it will be your homepage for your domain. So let me click on save. And now if I go back to view right here, you can see that this one was with the test. And if I just refresh this page, it's not working. And now the the homepage for my domain actually is my digital store right here. So it's super simple. So now if you want me to show you, let's go back here and just erase this one so I don't have to create a new domain and just keep showing it. The example with the subdomain. So if I do the same with the sales funnel, I'm going to site sales funnels. I'm going to create a new one. This one is going to be called test again, okay? And I'm going to choose my subdomain for this example, but it could be my main domain, but it's already set up. And I can choose any of the 4 options that Systeme gives me here, and I click on save. I go inside of my funnel right here. I'm going to, for the main page, I'm going to choose any template here, just for the sake of this example. And you see, Systeme already gives me a URL path set up already. So if I click on view here, and I see that I have my customized URL right here. So if I want this page to be my homepage for my domain, what would I do? I would simply erase everything here and click on save. Just make sure that it's correctly saved here, and click on view. And now you see I have my domain name, or my subdomain in this case, which is the homepage of my subdomain. And let's close this one. Let's erase and delete this funnel right here. And let me show you, if I use a blog, it's exactly the same. I click on blogs right here, click on create. I'm going to give it a name, and I'm going to choose my subdomain for this example. And you see, if I leave it in blank here, it will already be my homepage for this subdomain. So you see here, if I click on visualize, view, and you see this is my subdomain. It could be my domain, or this is my subdomain, and this is the homepage of my subdomain. So it's already set up. But if I want to change it, I go to the 3 dots, I go to settings, and here at the URL path level, I can change and call it whatever I want, and then have it saved. And now you see it's a different one, /test. In this one, if I refresh, it won't work because it's changed already. So super simple. Again, if you don't have your access to my launch kit, just download it for free. I give you 4 templates, sequences, image sequences, automation, and everything. And if you like the video, please subscribe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and I see you in the next tutorial.